everybody, it's Cassia Jones, aka Jonesy, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel to live and date in LA. So I am going to be starting off this tutorial on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I will be using the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. I will also be using a Shea Butter. I will be using my scalp massager that I got from Daiso, D-A-I-S-O, for $1.50. It's the same one that's advertised everywhere. Don't buy it for 40-something dollars. Just go buy it from Daiso for $1.50 if there's one in your area. I will be using a paddle brush, wide tooth comb, and I will be using ponytail holders to section my hair. First, I like to start off with the scalp massage because I want to get that blood flowing and stimulate my scalp. This really helps to aid in length retention and for your hair to grow. So I suggest everyone go out and buy this scalp massager, and I promise you, you do not need to spend $40 like some of these YouTubers are advertising. Don't do it, y'all. This thing costs $1.50 and it's the exact same one that everybody else has. So my 4C hair likes to dry very quickly on the end, so you will see me with my spray bottle just going in with some water and refreshing my hair. Now what I like to do is apply the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream and the Shea Butter all over my hair before I even start to section or style. I like to do this because my hair, being 4C, does like to dry on the ends very quickly. So I want to make sure that I'm getting product in there all over, because it also helps me to be able to section my hair and comb it out a lot easier. I just wanted to pop in and show you this very small amount of shed hair that I had after detangling the first back section of my hair. Using the Cantu leave-in cream and following up with a Shea Butter has really changed my hair. Shea Butter is my go-to now. I'm no longer relying on oils as much as I did in the past. I still use them, but not to the amount that I did before, because Shea Butter has really changed my hair, and it's really helping with that small bit of heat damage that I also have, as you can see, on the back of my scalp. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Cantu product on each section, which you will see me do, and I will follow that up with a little bit of Shea Butter if needed. And what we're going to do now is just start off mini twisting. I like to just split the hair and mini twist. I wear my hair up for the most part in my mini twist, so having the perfect parts are not that important to me when it comes to the back of my head. When it comes to the front, I do take a bit more time with the parting, but I just wanted you guys to see that this is the size of the mini twist that I will be making all over my head. Okay guys, I wanted to show you that I have this 100% pure organic castor oil. You've seen me use this in my previous videos. It was purchased from Amazon. Look at that moisture. So to seal in the moisture, I am going to use a very small amount of castor oil. But I don't want my twists to just bounce back up and shrink up. I want them to be stretched. So what I'm going to do is take my bobby pins, I'm going to stretch my twists down, and I'm going to apply my bobby pins so that my mini twists will dry in their stretched state. I really love doing this. It's a really great way to stretch your hair in a comfortable way so that when you are sleeping, you don't feel anything pressing really hard against your head as opposed to putting everything in ponytails, because the bobby pins are very comfortable. So I wanted you guys to see that this is the method that I use to stretch my twist, and it works really well for me. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Finally at the end, y'all. Woo! 4C hair is no joke. But I wanted to pop in and let you guys see how easy it is to really do these mini twists. I mean, yes, it is a bit time consuming, and all this took me about 2 hours, but that's because I stopped and had a little break in between. But it really is a great protective style. I have retained so much length doing this protective style, and I've been doing mini twists as a protective style since January of 2019. So what I'm doing here is adding a bit of castor oil to my scalp, which I did as I went along and installed my mini twist. So once again, I'm going to stretch my twists, and I'm going to apply bobby pins to keep them in their stretched state so that when I sleep and I wake up, they will not be shriveled up and shrunken. They will still be in their stretched state. Alright everyone, so this is my hair a few days later. I went in and I changed the part on my twists, and when I bobby pinned my twists, I bobby pinned them like I was wrapping my hair. Literally, that's all I did. I didn't do anything different as opposed to using different products or anything like that, but you will notice that the bobby pins are wrapped differently on my head and that the part is to the side. I just switched the part and re-wrapped my hair. So this is me taking down my twist in their stretch state. I really love bobby pinning my hair and stretching out the twist. It works really well. I am a fan of the banding method, and I do like to do that whenever I'm going to sit underneath the dryer. I don't like to do that to sleep in. So here are my twists. They are fully dry and it's a few days later. And what I'm going to do now is prepare my hair for the gym. As you can see, even though it's a few days later, my hair is still very moisturized. The products have absorbed into my hair, but my hair feels really moisturized and soft. Again, I have been retaining an amazing amount of length, and I also am able to hold moisture into my hair really well using this mini twist method. I have been wearing my hair in mini twists since January of 2019, and I absolutely love it, and I'm going to keep using this protective style throughout the summer. So I just wanted to show you guys some of my length, and I will show you how I put my twist into 2 space buns. That's how I wear it most often, to go to the gym and usually to go to work too. Alright y'all, so I'm headed to the gym now, but I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. This protective style is perfect for summer. Mini twists are absolutely beautiful. They're easy to maintain and they really hold in moisture, and you can do a myriad of hairstyles with them. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on my notifications, check me out on Instagram at @toliveanddaytonla, and on my blog, toliveanddaytonla.co. Thank you so much and have a blessed day, everyone.